Hey, welcome back to LIHITROBANK. My name is Adam. Look, coders, please don't come after me for this. But there's a new AI website builder that's so fast. It can build an entire website before you even take your first sip of coffee. I'm talking about the design, the images, the layout, the text, the pages, everything done in under 30 seconds. People are already calling it the coder killer. And today, I'm going to break down how it works. Why everyone online is freaking out, and how you can actually use this to build websites, grow businesses, or make money without writing a single line of code. AI tools that replace a skill always go viral, but this one is hitting differently. That's because building a website used to require designers, developers, copywriters, SEO folks, and at least a week of work. But suddenly, AI is doing all of that instantly. And this isn't just another AI tool. It's a sign that AI is flattening entire industries, and it looks like web development is the first domino to fall. Let me show you why this thing is blowing everyone's mind. Imagine you type something like, "Build me a website for a fitness coach who sells online programs." Immediately, the AI created a homepage, a services page, a testimonial section, a pricing section, clean images, SEO-friendly copy, a color theme, a layout, branding, mobile-friendly versions, and strong calls to action. And all of this happens in about 30 seconds. Some AI builders even take it further by generating logos, full blog posts, booking pages, checkout pages, email sequences, and onboarding flows. This is exactly why people say it's replacing junior developers. Because everything that used to take hours is now instant. This trend is exploding because people want speed. Nobody wants to wait weeks for a website anymore. Most small businesses don't want to spend thousands hiring developers. Entrepreneurs want to launch ideas quickly, test fast, and move fast. And now that AI has become shockingly good at making clean, modern designs, there's suddenly no reason to hire someone for basic website work. This doesn't kill senior developers. It doesn't replace people who build complex apps or custom software, but absolutely crushes those low-budget beginner website jobs. And that's why everyone online keeps calling it the end of beginner coding jobs. Let me break down what this AI actually does behind the scenes. When you give a prompt, it instantly analyzes what you want. It studies thousands of website layouts and picks the best design pattern for your niche. It structures an entire site using real UX best practices. It writes unique text for every section. It chooses images based on the industry you ask for. It generates the mobile version automatically. And some tools even deploy the site live without you touching anything. If a human team did this, a designer would spend 8 to 12 hours, a developer might spend another 10 to 20 hours, and a copywriter would add another few hours on top. The AI compresses all of that into half a minute. And that is why the internet can't stop talking about it. Now here's where it gets exciting. You can actually turn this AI website builder into a fast income method starting today. People are already making money by offering simple website packages. They charge $100 to $300 for a basic website. Let the AI build it in a few minutes, deliver it the same day, and keep almost all the profit. Some people take the local business approach, where they find small businesses with old websites and rebuild them using AI. Then they send the business owner a message saying, "I redesigned your website to show what it could look like. Want it?" And businesses often say yes because the difference is huge. You can also drop service, meaning you sell website builds. Let the AI create the first version and then pay someone a small amount to polish it while you keep the entire difference. Or you can use AI to quickly launch your own ideas, whether an affiliate site, a side hustle landing page, an AI tool page, or your personal brand. When building sites becomes this easy, starting new ideas becomes effortless. This is the big debate online. Does AI kill coding jobs? And the real answer is that AI replaces tasks long before it replaces entire professions. The first jobs disappearing are the low-skill, repetitive, beginner-level website projects that rely on templates. Simple landing pages, small business sites, and basic layouts are now handled by AI. But it does not replace complex builds. It doesn't replace SaaS products, serious web apps, custom dashboards, security-sensitive systems, or anything requiring advanced logic. Senior devs are completely fine. Junior devs need to evolve and start learning how to work with AI instead of ignoring it. For business owners and creators, this is a massive win. It means you can launch faster, test ideas faster, start projects faster, and focus on the parts that actually grow your business. You no longer need to spend weeks building a site just to test an idea. You click a button, get the site, and then put all your attention into traffic, content, marketing, offers, and revenue. AI removes the technical frustration, and you get the advantage of speed. So yes, this new AI website builder is shaking the entire internet. It's faster than junior developers. It's cheaper than agencies, and it's powerful enough to build a complete site in half a minute. This is the future of online building and online business. If you want to compare the top AI website builders and break down which one is actually worth using, drop a comment saying AI Builder List, and I'll make that the next video. And if you like this video, then hit that like and subscribe button if you want more deep dives like this. I'll see you there.